the cheese is going to be burnt on the pizza. So that's the mistake number one. Really high temperature, you're going to have this product. Take a look, the first pizza, very soggy. Soggy means wet, like a pool. How much water and milk they have, see? It's coming out a little bit of water. Perfection. Take a look.
Welcome to the best pizza channel.
Wow, this pizza is too soggy. Hello guys, welcome back from my video Capelli. Today in this video, first of all, thank you so much for your time, for your valuable time, and then I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, leave a nice thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's make this video a little bit with a lot of comments. So today, really quick, I'm going to show you, take a look at this pizza. Way too soggy. I'm going to show you how to prevent the pizza to get soggy. Soggy means wet, like a pool. So basically, we're from this to this. Take a look, guys. So how to prevent the pizza from getting soggy, just like this. In this video, I'm going to show you all the secret. Like you can see, I have everything ready here. So enjoy this video. Let's share. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be really helpful for you. In this video, in this channel, is no secret. Pizza is lifestyle, guys. So I do this. This is my lifestyle. This is my everything. So enjoy this video really quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and let's have fun together. There we go, guys. So just to start right now, really quick, I'm going to show you the mistake. Basically, this is the pizza dough. If you want to see how the pizza dough is made, please check out my channel. So I'm gonna link below some. This is the dough. Let me put this on the side. There we go. This is how you stretch. Fantastic dough. I'm gonna make a pizza that basically the mistake. So what you don't gonna do. So basically, there we go. The stretch. Voila. So this is the mistake number one. When you are going to cook the pizza in a regular home oven, basically some of you have put they put all the ingredients, like I'm gonna make a classic cheese pizza, and they put all the ingredients just like that. So they cut the cheese. So I'm gonna show you. There we go. I'm gonna make a pizza that is going to be wet. There we go, a little bit of olive oil. Pinch it, pom pom pom. Okay, there we go. Did you see this pizza? So this is the mistake number one. Put in the cheese right now without pre-cooking the dough. The oven, home oven, is cooking at the lowest temperature. So I'm gonna explain to you right now after it's cooked. So let me go ahead and cook it. Of course, the oven is at max temperature, and then right now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare. I'm gonna show you the fresh mozzarella, how much water and milk they have. See, it's coming out a little bit of water from the cheese. So I'm going to show you what to do, how to make it properly. So let's wait. Okay, here you go. Probably the pizza is gonna be ready by now. So let me take it. There we go. Yes. It's ready, it's ready. Okay, perfect. Voila, guys. This is the pizza. You might say right now, the pizza looks good to me. Well, guys, this pizza, let me show you better. Did you see this pizza? You might say, this pizza looks good to me. It's perfect, you know. But this video is all about how to prevent the pizza to get soggy. Basically, like this. Okay, so first of all, guys, this is the fresh mozzarella. So it can be two mistakes here. When you cut the cheese, you cut it too thin, and the cheese can be. This is if you got the fresh mozzarella too thin, what happened? The pizza, the cheese is going to be burnt on the pizza. So that's the mistake number one. Mistake number two is when you cut the cheese just like that in the proper way, but you're going to add the cheese in the pizza before, like before. So you have to pre-cook the dough, like I do in all my videos. You have to pre-cook the dough because basically when you're cooking the pizza at the lowest temperature, what happens that the cheese, it gets too watery, it gets too much water out from the time that it's cooking. So we have to pre-cook the dough, and then halfway cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese. But before this one, we have to do the step, really important. So basically you cut the cheese and you put it in a container, in a drainer, just like that. I want to show it to you. So the day before, voila, the day before at night, you go ahead and basically cut the cheese like this, and you put it in a drainer, and then you'll notice that all the water is under, so it's losing all the water. So now what happened? Now we have the cheese, the fresh mozzarella, more dry. So that's all we're gonna do. This is usually they do this when they use buffalo mozzarella, because buffalo mozzarella is very watery. So usually this method is using when the cheese is very watery. So you cut it and then you put it in the drainer the day before. If you don't have time, whatever, you cut it and you do the second step. So now I'm gonna make a pizza with the cheese, this cheese that I just cut, and doing the two steps cook, and then I'm going to show you how I'll cook the pizza with this cheese directly. But always I suggest to do the 2 times cook. So let's go ahead, let's put this in on the side. Let me go ahead and basically make the pizza. This dough is made with Polish 100%. But guys, today we are not looking the dough, we are not looking the pizza. We're just giving you the tip how to not make the pizza, how to prevent the pizza to get soggy, because it's very important. Also, this is very common in the hot oven, like a pizza place. So in the pizza place, I used to basically cut all the cheese the day before and put it in the drainer like you see. So that's what I used to do always in my pizza place. Okay, in this case, we are home. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and make a classic margherita, but we're gonna use the fresh mozzarella that we just cut. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and cook 2 times. First of all, boom, boom, boom. Voila. Put it in the oven. We're gonna cook it for a few minutes. Voila, outstanding. So the pizza, basically now it's halfway cooked. So what we're gonna do here is basically put a little bit of olive oil on the crust to make the crust a little bit gold. This is how you properly make the pizza at home. So make sure you follow me. So remember, this one was the cheese that I just cut. Fresh mozzarella. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in halfway that is cooked. Voila, perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling, and the pizza will be ready. I'm going to show you the difference. So let's go ahead, let's put it back inside there. So at this time I put the broil on, so it's gonna cook in a few minutes. Just right now is the right time to go ahead and share. By now, so let's take it out. Yep, mozzarella is bubbly, and boom, guys, second shot. Okay, let me talk about this pizza. So did you see this pizza? You think that now it's a little bit better than this. See the difference? You see the mozzarella a little bit white, but this one a little bit mixed with the tomato and the water from the cheese. But here is still a little bit of issue, which is like you can see here a little bit, we still have a little bit of water, and the cheese is a little bit mixed with the water and the sauce. So this is not 100% perfect. So here I'm going to show you today how to make it 100% perfect. So let's go ahead and let's make another shot with the fresh mozzarella that we just cut last night, and we put it in the drainer, this one. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Okay guys, we have to do the second attempt, and then at the end I'm gonna show you something a little bit different. Voila, very strong. Take off all the flour, boom, boom, boom. Okay guys, now the same thing, we have to do 2 times the cooking part. This is to make it perfect. Let's put it in the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the fresh mozzarella cut last night. So let's go ahead, see how much water is under. That's what we don't want on the pizza. Otherwise it's gonna look like the people are gonna say, oh, the pizza is too soggy. So you are thinking that probably the fresh mozzarella that was not good. But here I used the fresh mozzarella, exactly fresh mozzarella from the regular market. I cannot show the brand, but this is fresh mozzarella. That's what I'm talking about. And basically this is also, when you're using buffalo mozzarella, you can use this, but you have to do this technique. Otherwise you're going to have the pizza a little too soggy. You're going to think, well, I have to change the cheese, it's not good. But this is the video for you. Halfway cooked, halfway done, boom, 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 voila. There we go, guys. So the first part of the pizza is done. So we're gonna go ahead and add the fresh mozzarella that I cut before, like yesterday. So let's go ahead, we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did with the second pizza, which is for me the perfect way to do it. Olive oil in your hands, go on the crust. This way we get the crust a little bit brown. When the mozzarella starts to bubble, the pizza is ready. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Wow. And boom, guys, this is what I'm talking about when I say perfection. Take a look. See? Basically is no water on the dough, on the pizza. Take a look. Now this is complete to go ahead and put some nice fresh basil and stuff like that. So, but right now I want to show you the difference between the other two the same way. So take a look, the first pizza, very soggy. Second pizza, with the second attempt, this one was cooked with, you remember, 2 times. And it's not bad, but you still have a little bit of cheese. And this is the last pizza. Take a look, this is the perfection for me. This is not the end. So watch until the end. So now I'm gonna make the last final pizza, but cook it in the regular oven. So for you guys that are cooking the pizza with hot ovens, so I'm gonna show you how I use this fresh mozzarella directly, and then I'll show you how it comes out. So this is gonna be cooked in the very high temperature. If you think that this pizza was perfect, please leave a little comment below, tell me your thoughts, and leave a nice thumbs up. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna make the last one and I'll show you how it will come out. And, boom, 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 voila. And this time I'm gonna cook in the very high temperature oven. I wanna show you how the pizza will look like if you are going to use this method of the drainer with if you are going to cook the pizza in the pizzeria or things like this. So like you can see, if you are using the high temperature oven, you don't need to pre-cook the dough. Voila, let me go outside. Woo. Let's go. And voila, guys, like you can see, this pizza, it's the perfection, of course, because you know, Neapolitan pizza or regular pizza, if you cook it in the really high temperature, yes, you are going to have this fabulous pizza. So now it's your time to comment below and tell me what you think. This is the best method, or which method are you using? I'm really interested to see. So this video was about to prevent the pizza to get soggy. Hopefully it was really helpful for you, and then please guys, share with your friends. Thank you so much guys, subscribe and like. So I'll see you every week with 2 videos. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and eat all these pizzas. I'm gonna give this some with to my neighbor, and then thank you so much guys for your time, so for your valuable time. I'll see you at the next one. I have to taste this.